Hey, it's just Sam here from SensatioNail. Today I'm gonna do a milk bath look. I know what you're thinking, load of photographers have really been into it, and you know what, it's been really trending on social media, and seeing as I'm not like the coolest kid on town, I'm gonna try and be as cool as I can be. So we're gonna be using several colours for SensatioNail. One is called White Lily and the other one is Baby Doll Pink, as well as a few little flowers that are going to be included. So if you want to check out this look on how to do it, make sure you keep tuned, and as always, make sure you share, like, comment, subscribe and hit that bell notification button. Ka-ching! Right, to start off the look, as you can see, I've done most of my nails and I've left this one empty. We are going to attempt to do a really beautiful look like this with the flowers, and I have already done my prep work. If you want to know an in-depth prep, then there will be a video link down below. I've also applied 2 coats of White Lily. So to start off with, I'm going to use the clear transparent, and I'm going to do a really nice thick coat on the nail and not cure it. I'm going to leave it wet. So you're going to need a detailer brush, and then you're going to need your little flowers that you've picked out of your container, and you just want to go ahead and pick some of the flowers in the design that you want. If you want, get some clear transparent top coat and base coat and just apply a little bit on the brush so that it's got something to stick to. And then to start off with, let's get our purple little flower and let's face it here. And it's that easy. And that's what we're going to do for all of them. Make a really, really cute design. So I would say the secret in how to get the perfect milk bath is, of course, using your white base, but as well as doing your design, the secret in it is using a nice, really kind of washed out kind of pink. You don't want a too dense pink, and you know, for it to be too pigmented, otherwise you will lose your design. So I would say that is the secret behind it, and as well choosing the right flowers and the design. You know, you don't want to get the design where it's going to be too 3D, where it's going to, you know, ruin kind of the pattern and it's not going to look right. So I mean, these ones that we're using today are from Amazon, and I can link down below the specific one we've bought, and you guys can go and check it out as a suggestion. So yeah, it's super easy. Once you've got your desired shape and design, I would suggest that you go ahead and cure it in the lamp for half the time. After you cure that, let's go ahead with the colour Baby Doll Pink. So I like this colour because it, like I said, it's a sheer baby pink, and that's exactly perfect for this look. As you can see, it's not covering it up totally, and we're going to do 2 coats of this. Make sure you get any peach fuzz that goes on your nails so that you don't cure them on and end up with little baby hairs on your nails, or use your cure stick, to take them off if need be. As it is a SensatioNail colour, you've got to cure that for the whole time, and let's go ahead and do that and then do our second coat as well at the same time. Right, now going in for our second coat, and same again, cure that once you've done your coat. I feel like these nails are so beautiful for just any time of the year. It just is so summery, but it is so trendy. I can just imagine if you've like been invited to a baby shower or to a pink party or white and black party, you could still get away with having a really cute design like this, and I think it will go marvellously. Once that is cured, you want to go ahead and use your gel and base top coat, and you want to make a lovely thick layer in the nail to make sure it's all covered up and you don't have any kind of hard bits. And then as always, you've got to cure it, but you only have to cure it for half the time, guys. Don't forget, not to mention to cap those beautiful nails, yes. And voila, you have your perfected milk bath nails, ready for the summer, ready for spring, ready for autumn when the flowers drop, so you could go ahead and go and pick some flowers. So, this is the look that we've ended up with. I must say, out of all the designs that we do, this was probably the one where there was no kind of, oh, can I do it? Is it gonna be all right? And actually, I've done it with confidence. I've really enjoyed doing it. And it just makes me so excited to go to a really beautiful party this weekend, which is exactly what I'm gonna do. Let me know how you guys got on with it, and you know, what kind of looks do you like doing it? Make sure you hashtag SensatioNail and let us know on social media, because we want to see your looks, we want to see your inspirations, and if we see something that we really like, we might use it in our next video and tag you guys in it. Obviously, you know, give you guys the credit. As always, make sure to join me next time and have a lovely day. See ya! So it will be including our sensation.